Hey, Kevin. Dude, do you not know what you just did?
No.
Do you not know how many things water does for you?
Okay, but like, what does it have to do with me?
It has a lot to do with you, Kevin. You drink water and you use it in your everyday life.
As you can see, Kevin, you need to treat water like yourself.
You know what, Bob? I guess you're right. You know what? I'm gonna go pick up the banana. I feel really guilty about myself, Bob. I'm sorry.